Let's start by understanding what we mean by Agile methodology. Agile is basically a set of principles and practices used for software development and project management. The main idea behind Agile is to make software development more flexible and adaptable. Instead of trying to define everything at the beginning and follow one fixed plan until the end, Agile allows teams to respond to changing requirements throughout the project. Agile also focuses heavily on collaboration and customer satisfaction. The team works closely with stakeholders, gets regular feedback, and uses that feedback to improve the product quality. Another important concept here is incremental and iterative development. This means we don't necessarily build the entire system and deliver it at the very end. Instead, we build the product in smaller increments, deliver value regularly, receive feedback, and then continue improving it. So, in simple terms, Agile is about delivering value quickly, getting continuous feedback, collaborating closely, and adopting to change. Now, let's move to Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto was created to establish the fundamental values and principles behind Agile software development. It contains four key values. The first is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. This doesn't mean processes and tools are unimportant. It means that having good communication and collaboration between people is considered more important than blindly following a process or relying on a tool. The second value is working software over comprehensive documentation. Documentation is important, but the ultimate goal of software development is to deliver working software that provides value to the customer. The third value is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Instead of treating the customer relationship as simply following a fixed contract, Agile encourages continuous collaboration with the customer so that we can better understand and respond to their needs. And finally, we have responding to change over following a plan. In traditional approaches, changing requirements can be difficult and expensive. Agile recognizes that change is normal, so teams should be prepared to adopt their plans when requirements or priorities change. So remember these four ideas: people over processes, working software over excessive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over simply following a plan.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.